How to edit your video story sound on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your Instagram story videos sound. It's easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on your story, choose a video, and now you should mute this video by click on the sound icon up there and click on the sticker icon, click on music and choose one of those music, click on it. Now for example this one, and you choose the part you want. Now all you need to do is click on next. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.